Put the components on the cable according to the sequence shown. Also pay attention to the side each component is inserted and make sure they are in the right direction. Slide the elements that you have inserted down the cable in such a position that does not hinder the next assembling operations. On the outer jacket of the cable, cut the length as indicated and remove it. First, remove the non-woven fabric from the power cables. Then, cut the conductors at the length indicated. Strip the wires as shown. Set the crimping tool for the power contacts. These are size 12 contacts. Place a power contact on the turret positioner and crimp it. Repeat this for the other power wires. On the outer jacket of the Ethernet cable, cut a length as indicated and remove it. Using a fine tip tool, separate 6 strands of the braid from the rest of the shield. Make up a drain wire using the 6 strands that were previously separated from the rest of the braid. Then remove the remaining part of the shield. Put a heat shrink on the strand. Apply heat and shrink it. Cut the drain wire strand at the needed length. Set the crimping tool for these contacts. These are size 16 contacts. Place a drain wire contact on the turret positioner and crimp it. Repeat this for the other Ethernet cable. On the outer jacket of the Ethernet cable, cut a length as indicated and remove it. Clear the twisted pairs, removing their foils and the fillers. Place the pairs in the sequence shown: brown, white, brown, blue, white, blue, green, white, green, orange, white, orange, and cut the 2 central pairs shorter. Strip the wires as shown. Set the crimping tool for these contacts. These are size 20 contacts. Place a drain wire contact on the turret positioner and crimp it. Repeat this for all the other Ethernet pairs. A specific tool allows easy insertion of the contacts inside the contact modules. On the tool, there are housings on the front where the data modules are placed and the housing on the top for the central inserts. Clamp the tool on a vise. Insert the data module in the upper slot on the front, paying attention to the side where the module is inserted. Make sure it is in the right direction. Use pliers to insert the contacts all the way down until they are locked in place. The tool ensures that the contacts are inserted at the right depth. Repeat this for all the other Ethernet pairs. Place the adapter ring supplied with the module holder in the housing on the top. Insert the central rubber module in the aluminum shell, paying attention to the keyways. Put the shell in the housing on the top of the tool, making sure that the fixed post inside the tool is aligned with the cavity of the shell. Fit the heat shrink on a crimped contact. Insert the contact in the correct pin cavity inside the rubber module. Make sure you follow the indications embossed on the module. Repeat this for all the other power contacts. Remove the shell from the tool and fit the heat shrink towards the rubber insert. Apply heat and shrink the tubing. Starting from the Ethernet cable marked as 1, follow the right sequence, making sure that the white striped wire is on the right inside the module and the solid colored wire is on the left. Referring to the keyway, insert the modules as indicated. Fit the red gasket so that the shields are next to the cable. Insert the shield propagating contacts in their respective cavities on the front side of the shell. Align keyways on the capsule and shell, making sure they are completely mated. Slide the seizure towards the capsule. Squeeze the seizure in its housing. Use a fine tip tool, making sure the ends are aligned with the cavity where the shield propagator contact will be fitted. Connect the drain wire pin to the shield propagators. Slide the back shell towards the capsule and screw it counterclockwise. Slide the cable gland towards the connector and tighten it clockwise on the back shell. Hold the connector looking at the side opposite the logo. Spin the locking ring and align the hole on the locking ring with the grub screw on the connector. Use a 2 mm Allen screw and tighten clockwise.